In a faraway land, long, long ago, lived a king and his queen. Many years they had longed for a child, and finally their wish was granted. A daughter was born. They called her Aurora. Fearful of Maleficent's curse, King Stephen decrees that all spinning wheels in his kingdom be burned. To protect Aurora from Maleficent, the good fairies hid her in a forest cottage. Princess Aurora grew in grace and beauty, but on her 16th birthday, a dancing green light lured her to a tower. There she found a spinning wheel glowing in the dark. "Touch the spindle," a voice commanded. Aurora obeyed and pricked her finger. Unbeknownst to Maleficent, the good fairy Merryweather had changed the curse so that the princess would not die, but sleep. The three good fairies put the entire kingdom to sleep as well until the day that Aurora would wake. High atop the tower, Princess Aurora slept, awaiting the noble Prince Philip, who would one day come to release her from her slumber with true love's kiss. Maleficent summoned all the demons from her castle to prevent Prince Philip from reaching the princess. Maleficent turned herself into a flame-spewing dragon to stop Prince Philip at any cost. It was a fearsome battle. The prince finally threw his sword and struck the dragon in the heart.